Before we begin this session, please note that everyone in a whiteboard session has access to all of the tools shown. Welcome to the Custom Computer Specialist Microsoft Lync Training Guide. In this session, I'll show you how to use the virtual whiteboard in Lync. This is just one of the many collaborative features in Lync. Start a whiteboard session by first selecting the sharing button, resembling a monitor. From there, select the icon in the bottom row labeled Whiteboard. All participants in the call will be able to use any of the tools from the toolbar on the right-hand side of the whiteboard window. The first tool, the laser pointer, displays your name on the screen when the left mouse button is pressed. This is a good way to call attention to something on the whiteboard if there are multiple users in the Lync call. Beneath the laser pointer is the text box tool, which allows you to apply text to your whiteboard with multiple color choices and font size and font family choices. If text starts to obscure certain areas of the whiteboard, you can drag the text boxes out of the way by hovering over the text field and dragging them by the blue window that appears above them. The same applies to other objects placed in the whiteboard session. Simply click on the object and drag it to where you need it. Beneath the text box tool is the pen and highlighter tools, which function similarly. Both tools have the option to adjust the size of the brush and the color used to draw with on your whiteboard session. If you make a mistake and need to remove something on the whiteboard, use the eraser tool to remove text, drawings, or pictures that are added to the whiteboard. If you're using the whiteboard to go over objectives or a list, then the stamp tool is a great way to mark completed or uncompleted items in your whiteboard session. The three options for stamps are check marks, red X's, and arrows. Beneath that is the shape tool, which can be used to display lines, arrows, double-headed arrows, boxes, and circles. Much like the highlighter and pen tools, you can adjust the colors. Beneath the shape tool is a button for inserting pictures. Select this button and navigate to the directory with the media you would like to add. Once added, the image can be reshaped or moved within the whiteboard. Below these tools is a blue line made of ellipses. This list is used for editing and exporting the whiteboard. If at the end of a session you would like to save the whiteboard, select this line and in the drop-down window click Save As. Then navigate to the directory where you would like to save the image, rename it accordingly, and save.